Okay, so I am back again, and this time we just to kind of show you I've made a few updates in the code. As you can tell, it's a the green LED is lighting up, and if we go to the there you go. If we go to our page here and refresh, we're getting the Fahrenheit, the temperature in Fahrenheit and Celsius, humidity 53. We scroll LED and tells you that the red LED is off, the green LED is on, and blue LED is off. So if we wanted to quickly turn those on, we could just go in the code and change the parameters of what they're listening for. So right now we have red is listening for 70 degrees 77 degree Fahrenheit. So we could drop that to that's the Fahrenheit. What is green listening to? Green is listening to humidity, and we have humidity at what, 50? Sorry guys, just checking something. There you go. Yeah, humidity is at 50, and it's just okay, 53. So this the value went up to 73. So if we go to go back there, temperature is 76. So we could do 70, um between 70 and 80 obviously, and then we'll save that. And for Celsius, what is it set to? 24. We could do 20, and we would have all the lights come on. Let's just do 20, 20 and 35. And let's push the code. I pushed it in GitHub. So there's this new update on GitHub. So if you guys want to use this code on GitHub, you have access to it. So let's push the code over OTA. Keeping fingers crossed. Cross. Ah, can't even speak. So that's happening. Let's see. Yeah, should reset and should have a. So all three LEDs should come on. So it should reset now. It's resetting and it went off. Let's go back to the yep. I believe all three LEDs are on. So if we refresh this page, well, we only have two LEDs on. So we got the green and I mean the red and the what was it? And the green. Yeah. So that's on. Let's check out why. Oh, that the temperature went up to 77. Um, think we might have all three on, honestly. It's saying blue's not on, but it is on. Something in our code is not reading properly. That's why you have to debug things. Um, so for blue, we put that at 20 and 35. LED brightness, blue. Yep, that's good. Let's go to sensor handler. This is fine. Let's go to the sensor handler. So that is fine. So is it LED.ccp? All the pins are set. Yeah, I guess. So we should be updating. See, the code is not perfect, but um, so I need to find a way to update these, like reuse the same values here. Uh, well, I already do. Could just remap them over there instead of redeclarating them manually like I did. That's the problem. That's why we got this error. So if we clear this out and then run this again. I mean, clearly it's turning it on here, but our CSS value is not taking the changes. So I know green is on, but and red is on, and also blue's on. But for some reason, CSS is not seeing that. Let's refresh it. It's probably still doesn't see it. Yeah, it doesn't see it. Why can't I ever just make a video where it's a short video, guys? Getting tired. Um, actually, okay, this is good. It's good, man. Actually, let's test the telnet because we are actually printing out the red LED value here. So we should go to telnet and see what happens. Ah, of course, I'll just tap it, probably be faster. Telnet on. Nope, there you go. Yep, so red LED's at 193. Um, but the value is not being updated properly. So let's go to our HTML, see. Maybe it's because we are calling it way too early. Yeah, I think that might be the problem. Yeah. Actually, the problem was blue, right? There it is. I keep saying red. That's the problem. Because it's checking for the temperature here and it's saying, well, it's below 30, so it can't be on. It's can't be on. So that is our problem. Yeah, so I need to just make all of them dynamic. So I guess there's more refactoring coming. Not much gonna change in the Arduino side, but what will change is, not Arduino, ESP32. What will change is it's the value for these things here. There we go. And we now have a complete thing set. So thanks guys for watching. This was a long journey. So I'm going to refactor everything and send a new update to GitHub so you guys can have a better code up there for yours. Thank you. Bye.